Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from yesterday's and today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. And let's start. Who is the current chairman of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India? R.S.Sharma, Ashim Khurana, Satheesh Reddy, Subash Chandra. Answer is A. R.S.Sharma is the current chairman of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, known as TRAI in short. From Feb 1st, 2019 onwards, TRAI's new tariff and regulatory framework for broadcasting and cable services came into effect. We all know this point, and according to this new regulation, consumers can now opt for channels that they wish to view and pay only for them. And these are some of the facts presented by the TRAI chairman R.S. Sharma. According to him, 17 crore is the number of TV homes in our country, and out of which 9 crore is the number of TV homes that have made their channel preferences so far. A recent CRISIL report says that the cost of the TV viewing, read it as cost of TV viewing, sorry I didn't mention here. So the cost of TV viewing may rise by 25% under the new regime, and however TRAI has strongly disagreed with this CRISIL report, and it said that specific locations like Delhi and Mumbai, the prices have come down. Which of the following is the regional connectivity scheme of Government of India? Nahi Roshni, UDAN, Ujjwala, Nahi Manzil. Answer is B. UDAN. UDAN is the regional connectivity scheme of Government of India. If you know the full form of UDAN, previously asked, Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagarik. Under this scheme, Government of India provides a subsidy to airlines who have to cap airfares for 50% of the total seats at rupees 2,500 per hour of the flight. And according to recent report, only 4 UDAN routes in northeast areas are operational out of 20 bidirectional routes awarded earlier. So the main reason is the failure on part of the airlines to commence operations in these areas, especially in northeast areas, and due to erratic services. Gujars in Rajasthan agitating for how much percent reservation in government jobs and educational institutions? 5%, 8%, 9% or 10%? The answer is A. 5%. Gujars in Rajasthan agitating for 5% reservation in government jobs and educational institutions. Now, though Gujars have been included in the state's other backward class category since 1994, they contended that the dominated caste were taking away a major share of the quota, and the community is demanding the most backward class status with a provision for an exclusive 5% reservation. Now, as of now, they're getting only 1% reservation in addition to the OBC quota within the 50% ceiling, which is mandated by the Supreme Court. The protesters opened fire, torched vehicles and hurled stones on police force in the state of Rajasthan. Gujars are pastoral agricultural ethnic group, and the main leader who is leading this protest is Kirori Singh Bansla, who is a retired Lieutenant Colonel of the Indian Army. Since 2007, he is leading a caste protest movement in the state of Rajasthan. Which state government invokes National Security Act for cattle offences? Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh or Rajasthan? The answer is C. Madhya Pradesh state government invokes National Security Act for the cattle offences. Recently, Madhya Pradesh government detained 5 people under the National Security Act. All of them committed offences related to the cattle laws. Now, this stringent legislation, National Security Act, was meant to be used against anti-national terrorists, and instead its invocation over such allegations displays an effort to appease the communal elements. But the state government says the main reason to book them under NSA is that they were likely to cause disruption of peace in the state. Which of the following chief minister to observe a day-long hunger strike in the national capital? Mamta Banerjee, Chandrababu Naidu, K. Chandrasekhar Rao or Arvind Kejriwal? The answer is B. Chandrababu Naidu, the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh, observes a day-long hunger strike in the national capital. The reason for his hunger strike is the centre failures to deliver on special status to the state of Andhra Pradesh. The 12-hour fast or Dharma Porata Diksha is scheduled to begin at 8 am on Feb 11th after Mr. Naidu pays visit to Rajghat. Who claimed the national snooker title for the 9th time? Lakshman Rawat, Varsha Sanjeev, Pankaj Advani, Krishna Prasad. Answer is C. Pankaj Advani claimed the national snooker title for the 9th time. Earlier, he won 11 junior titles, national titles and 9 billiard titles and also 3 six-red snooker crowns as a senior. He also has 21 world titles in the Q sport. Q sport is the billiards. In recognition of his achievements, the Government of India has bestowed several awards upon Pankaj Advani. The recent one was Padma Bhushan in 2018. Abu Dhabi has included which of the following language as the third official language used in its courts? Urdu, English, Hindi, Arabic. Answer is C. Hindi. Abu Dhabi has included Hindi as the third official languages used in its courts. Indian expatriate workers who reside in the country, that means Indian workers living in Abu Dhabi, can now lodge their claims and complaints to the Abu Dhabi Labour Courts in their mother tongue after Abu Dhabi Judicial Department recognized Hindi as its third official language after Arabic and English. Abu Dhabi is the capital city of United Arab Emirates. The Indian community in the UAE is almost 2.6 million, that is, constitutes around 30% of the total population of the UAE. American aerospace major Boeing announced the arrival of which of the following military helicopters for the Indian Air Force? Chinook, Apache, Mi-26S or Augusta AW? Answer is A. Chinook. American aerospace major Boeing announced the arrival of Chinook military helicopters for the IAF. India gets its first of 4 Chinook military helicopters for the Indian Air Force arrived in Gujarat. Chinook is the most modern heavy lift choppers in the world, which is used for transporting troops, artillery, equipment and fuel, etc. According to Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, the highest number of human deaths caused by elephants had occurred in which of the following state? Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar, Tamil Nadu. Answer is B. West Bengal. Human-elephant conflicts rises in past 3 years between 2015 to 2018. Almost 1700 people were killed in this human-elephant conflict and around 300 elephants were killed in last 3 years. And between these 3 years, the highest number of human casualties caused by elephants had occurred in the state of West Bengal with 307 human deaths, followed by Odisha with 305 human deaths. And in 2018 alone, 227 people were killed by wild elephants in 16 states, with Assam reporting the highest number of human deaths, that is 86. And most of the elephants died due to electrocution. Almost 226 elephants died due to electrocution, followed by train accidents, poaching, poisoning, etc. Falls Point, India's oldest functional lighthouse at 180 years, continues to guide seafarers as in which of the following state? Gujarat, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. Answer is C. Odisha. Falls Point, India's oldest functional lighthouse, is located in the Kendrapara district of Odisha. It is guiding ships and vessels through the waters of Bay of Bengal for the past 180 years. Now, in an era before GPS and other navigational devices, the countries are using lighthouses. When someone meets an accident at middle of the sea and all their navigational devices are lost, then how do they get back to their basics? It is through the lighthouse. It remained a familiar symbol for the seafarers who would know its location at a distance of almost 40 kilometers, flashing of two white lights every 20 seconds. That is its navigational code after dark. And that's why the advanced countries like United States are also still continuing with the lighthouses. Which of the following is also known as eye cancer mostly seen in children? Melanoma, lymphoma, retinoblastoma or eyelid carcinoma? Answer is C. Retinoblastoma is also known as eye cancer mostly seen in children. Retinoblastoma is a childhood tumor affecting single or both the eyes. It is a rare form of cancer that rapidly develops from the immature cells of retina, the light detecting tissue of the eye. Retinoblastoma related mortality rate is high in Asian and African countries. Recently, IIT Madras identifies a unique pathways of the eye cancer retinoblastoma. The periodic table of elements has turned 150 years old in 2019 was written by which of the following person? Dmitri Mendeleev, Henry Moseley, Ernest Rutherford or J.J. Thomson? The answer is A. Dmitri Mendeleev. The periodic table of elements, which has turned 150-year-old in 2019, was written by a Russian chemist Dmitri Ivanovich Mendeleev on Feb 17, 2019. Now, United Nations General Assembly and UNESCO had decided to celebrate 2019 as the International Year of the Periodic Table of Chemical Elements. Pension scheme for workers in informal sector to kickstart from which of the following date? Feb 15th, Feb 28th, March 1st or March 31st? The answer is A. Feb 15th. The Ministry of Labour had said in a notification that Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandan shall come into force on 15th of February 2019. We have discussed in detail regarding this scheme already. Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandan. The subscribers will receive an assured monthly pension of 3,000 rupees per month from the age of 60 onwards. They will have to pay rupees 55 a month if they join at the age of 18 years or 100 rupees a month if they join at the age of 29 years. Earlier they said that the age of joining limit was 40 years, but now if they want to join after 40 years, they have to contribute 200 rupees per month. So remember this point. Nelson Mandela's legacy will be featured in which of the following cities exhibition? Cape Town, London, New York or New Delhi? The answer is B. London. Nelson Mandela's legacy is to be celebrated in London's exhibition. The interactive exhibition takes a journey through Mandela's life, including his 27 years in prison and the end of the apartheid when he became the president of South Africa in the year 1994. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Which of the following badminton star signs rupees 50 crore deal with Chinese sports brand Li-Ning? Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Kidambi Srikanth or Sai Praneeth? The answer is B. PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu's deal is one of the biggest in world badminton. Olympic and World Championship silver medalist PV Sindhu has signed a whopping 4-year sports sponsorship deal to the tune of rupees 50 crore with Chinese sports brand Li-Ning. Question for the day. Mention your answers in the comment section. Who is known as the father of modern chemistry? Anthony Lavoisier, Robert Boyle, Dmitri Mendeleev or Otto Hahn? Quote for the day. There is always a reason to smile. Find it. Smile reduces the stress and anxiety, and it also makes you perform better. So find reasons to always smile and be happy. This is it for today. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.